But since like the size of it should be like $4 or $5, but like this is like really not. No bueno. Welcome back to this Slimeatory. Yeah! Okay, anyways. Alright guys, today I'm testing out some glues, a bunch of glues, guys. So I did some of these in the past, back in the day. Okay, anyways, I did this back in the day, but it was like not really slime glues. I just tried out glues that were there. The slime glues I did try out were like Elmer's clear glue and like Elmer's glitter and glue all. Those are the only like really slime glues I tried, and they're not really slime glues, I know, but like they're the ones you use for slimes. But I never really tried the actual slime glues that people use today, like Crazy Art, Beacon, Nickelodeon, and then we got Darice and Color Splash. I know I have made all of these, but I really just kind of like, I want to compare them all, so yeah. And also guys, we're gonna be having another meet and greet, and I'm so freaking excited, guys. It is completely free, you don't have to pay anything, and yeah, I hope you guys come. It is at Castle Coasters, July 28th at around 3 p.m. and I really hope I see you guys there. There's also gonna be some free giveaways where we're gonna be throwing slime in the crowd, so come and get some free slime, yeah. And there will also be some more details in the description. Okay, and today's like my chance to be Jennifer's like with your bottom lip and straight on edge of the video with you. Start with a plain simple one. It is Elmer's school glue, so let's just, you know, go ahead and make that. Pour some into the bowl, and we are gonna make this one brown. Okay, let's mix that, see what color it makes. Nice creamy brown. Okay, let's go ahead and add the activator. I just have a normal activator today. No weak, no strong. It is a cup of water with a teaspoon of borax. So let's see how much this one takes. Okay, going good so far, guys. So we're gonna add some more activator. Okay, I'm all done, guys. Here it is. Here's how it turned out. So let's just do some ASMR for it. So this glue is basically like the basic glue, you know, like if you just want to make some normal, nice, squishy slime, this is the glue you use. Okay, well, let's go ahead and try out the other glues. Okay, guys, next one I'm going to try out is Gluo. So let's go ahead and try this. Well, this one is basically like a thicker glue, guys. You can tell that it's thicker. Okay, let's go ahead and add some food coloring. I'm going to be adding pink for this one. And that's mixed. Jeez, that's thick. Okay, let's go ahead and start activating it. So this one I think doesn't need as much activator as the other ones, but that's just my conspiracy theory. This one is also a little bit more tricky to activate because it kind of like groups up in a glob like in one spot, and it just starts, you know, being annoying to deal with. So yeah, if you're using glue, guys, be careful because this stuff is tricky. Okay, guys, I am all done with it. Here it is. Very nice and thick. I think I might have overactivated this one. But anyways, guys, glue basically is really, really thick. You can make some really nice thick slimes. And this one has like a bunch of bubbles in it. But if you leave it for like about a week and all the bubbles come out, and it's like, you know, kind of like set and just sit there for a little bit, it becomes a beautiful and like glossy and like thick. It is the best thing ever. So yeah, I really love Gluo, but like sometimes I like to just use basic glue. Like, I don't know, it just depends. But okay, guys, so let's get on to the next glue. Next, what we're gonna do, guys, it's Elmer's clear glue. So let's just get started. Okay, so we have our Elmer's clear glue gallon. Pour that in there. This one is also a little, it's like harder to knead because it's like clear glue. Clear glue is harder to knead, I think. Okay, guys, so here's the glue. It is really, really nice and thick, but I feel like their gallon recipes have gotten like thinner. I don't know. I feel like they changed the recipe, and I don't really like it that much, and it kind of smells like bleach, but whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna make this one orange because I really love orange clear slimes. Like, they look so cool to me. And let's go ahead and start activating it. Almost done. This one is actually really easy to make. I don't know why, but like I've usually had like worse times making, like I take forever to make it. This one's cool because it's kind of like an orange icy, kind of like with all the bubbles and stuff. Okay, I'm all done, guys. Here it is. Oh, yas, look at that. Looks like an orange icy. I love it. Cannot wait till this thing clears up. I love clear slime, by the way, guys. It's like one of my favorite slimes. Anything clear, it doesn't matter if it has glitter or like, you know, food coloring in it. It's just anything clear. I love it. I am going to get this right here, and then we're going to make an egg. They're so cute. Look at it. Okay, well, anyways, guys, the Elmer's clear glue is amazing, basically. It is super, super thick and really nice and clear, and yeah, it takes a while to clear up though, but that's just because of how thick it is. But also, guys, their glue can get a little pricey. I kind of like Darice, you know. It seems like their glue has gotten a little thinner and less thick over time, but I don't know. You guys comment down below if you think so too. I don't know if it's just me, but I've seen some people say it too. But anyways, let's get on to the next one. Okay, well guys, which one should we do next? I am going to try and just like use my psychic abilities to grab one. This is Color Splash? Oh, it's Doris. I was wrong. But I love Doris because it was like $10 each gallon and it's got a wonderful texture and it isn't yellow like some glues. Okay, so here's some Doris glue. Ooh, look at how nice and clear and creamy that is. I don't know, I really love Doris glue and Elmer's glue. Okay, so let's add some red food coloring. It also has like a different texture, guys. Like glues have a different texture. It's weird, but anyways. So let me just mix that in. We got red slime now. Oh yes, look at how beautiful that is. So bright. Now I decided to add some glitter because I forgot that we can add some glitter. And I'm gonna be adding this cherry one from Recollections. It is beautiful and gold, guys. I love it. This is like the prettiest glitter ever. I love it. Cherry glitter is just awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and activate it now. This one, I don't really remember. I think I'm gonna use this like a normal amount. I think this one is a little bit easier to activate than the Elmer's one because the Elmer's one kind of gets like soapy when you start like kneading it. So I don't think this one does. But yeah, this one I don't think gets soapy like the other one. Okay, I'm all done, guys. It turned out really, really nice. Kind of looks like a slushie. Very nice. It has like a different texture. I don't know how to explain it. Like it's a little less tense, I guess, and a little less like dry. Okay, so here they are comparing them, guys. I don't know if you guys could tell the difference. Like look at it, you know. I really love the texture of the Elmer's one, but this one's kind of like thicker and like stretchier, I guess. And this one's kind of like a bit thinner, but like it has like a thick texture to it, kind of like putty, I guess. I don't know, guys. It's weird. It kind of feels like the Doris one is like thicker. You guys gotta know what you think, and let's get on to the next one. Okay, guys, what should we do next?
I think you should do Nickelodeon slime.
Okay, let's do the Nickelodeon slime, guys. This one is a blue glue. Some of that. This glue is really like thick and like stretchy. No, it's like stretchier. It's like slimier, I guess. It has like a slimier consistency. I have the sudden urge to add some red glitter to this. I don't know why. I feel like it'll look cool. It might look ugly. Who knows? But I'm gonna add some. This one I think needs more activator. Like, look at that. That's just like completely melted. Like, so this one needs more activator, definitely. It has a really nice texture at the end though. Jeez, it's gonna take the whole bottle? Guys, I don't know what's going on, but it's not activating. Okay, I added the whole bottle of this, guys. It's like 3 ounces. So that's 3 ounces of water. Finally activating, but it's kind of like a water slime. It's not thick like it usually is. Okay, I think we need some more activator again. Okay, guys, here is the slime. I made it. It looks amazing, by the way. Okay, well, usually, guys, this slime is like a little bit thicker, but like I think that's just because I use like a stronger activator. So you guys want this slime to be thicker, use a slightly stronger activator. But yeah, here is this one. It's like a lot thinner, definitely, but it's like more slimy and less sticky, I feel like. I still really, really love Doris and Elmer's though. Okay, guys, I guess that's it for this one. Let's go ahead and get to the next one. Next one we're gonna do, guys, is a color splash. Okay, so here's some Color Splash. Color Splash is really like clear and stuff, but it's also really, really thin. And it's on more of the slimier side, you know? The thicker glues, I kind of feel like they're more like putty. And then like the thinner ones are kind of more like slimy, you know? And this one I think is more like slimy. Okay, I'm gonna make this one yellow. And I don't know, I feel like putting red glitter again, so I'm gonna put red glitter. This red glitter just looks fabulous and everything. Yeah, this one didn't look really cool. I don't like it. I decided to add some holographic glitter just because I thought it'd be cool. You know what? I like it. Okay, let's go ahead and activate it. This one I think just uses like a normal amount of activator. If not, maybe less activator. And also, since it is thinner, it actually clears up faster. And when you like activate it and stuff, it's not completely like white, you know? It's kind of like still clear. And it's easier to knead and like activate than the other ones. So it's more activator. Okay, I'm all done with this, guys, and the texture, I really love the texture of this slime. Like, it's so, like, jiggly and thin and, like, slimy. Like, I love it. It's so nice. Like, I love all these glue textures. But this one is, like, it's so different. Like, it has, like, a kind of, like, a store-bought slime texture or something. It's, like, more, like, jiggly and, like, thinner. I don't know. I like it. let's get on to the next one. Next one, you guys, is crazy art white glue. So I haven't done a white glue in a while, and we have a lot of clear glues. These glue companies have been making a lot of clear glues. Anyways, I'm doing this a crazy art white glue one, and let's get started. I feel like this one uses more activator like the clear slime one too, but I don't know. So here's the glue I'm using, guys. Just a normal white crazy art glue. I love the container of the crazy art glues though, cause like the little nozzle, you know, the little hole, it's perfect for slime. I'm gonna make some chocolate mint pudding, guys. So there's some blue and some yellow. Hopefully it actually turns green and not just blue, because the blue is crazy strong. This is not the green I wanted. What is this? Oh my god, that looks weird. I was gonna add black glitter, but no thank you. I don't think it's gonna look good. I'm gonna add some activator now, and let's see if it uses a lot of activator or a little bit of activator or a normal amount of activator. Okay, well this is very weird. I don't remember it being like this, but I haven't really used the crazy art white glue too much. This is like one of my first times doing it. I think it has like a normal amount of activator. Okay, all done, guys. Here it is. It's actually really nice and like thick. It's a lot thicker than I expected. I expected it to be like different. I don't know. I think it has like the texture between Elmer's glue and Elmer's Glue All. And also, guys, this took like a normal amount of activator, so yeah. But anyways, let me just show you, compare the Elmer's one. Here's the Elmer's regular glue. It's kind of just like, you know, basic. But this one's like a little bit thicker. Like it's in between Glue All and like Elmer's school glue. And then here is the Glue All. Okay, well I guess that's it for this one. Let's go ahead and get on to the next one. Next one we're gonna check out is a crazy art clear glue. I think this one does take a lot out of activator, but I could be wrong. But I feel like it does, because the first time it came out, I was having like a hard time with that. It was a while ago, so I don't really remember, but maybe it got better. So let's try it out. Okay, so here it is, guys. Let's go ahead and pour it. There it is. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that is thick. So for this one, I decided I'm going to add a little bit of pink pigment just to kind of give it a tiny bit of a sparkle. I don't want it to be like completely pigment, like a solid color. I want it to be like a sparkle, you know? And then I'm gonna add some holographic glitter. Ooh, that looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the pigment. Ooh, that is looking gorgeous. Oh my god. This is looking amazing, guys. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. And I wonder if it's gonna take more or less activator. So I just added like a pretty good amount. I feel like that's like a normal amount. Ooh, it seems like it's activating. By the way, guys, a little fun fact. You can actually activate crazy art glue with shaving cream. Well, anything with baking soda in it. So like shaving cream, the foaming facial wash, I think, toothpaste that has baking soda in it. And yeah. Okay, I think it takes a pretty normal amount of activator. Okay, I'm all done, guys. Here it is. So I did have to add a little bit of hair gel to it because it got very hard. Apparently this actually activates a lot quicker than I expected. I think it uses less activator than normal, so yeah. That's not how I remembered it though, because like they came out with like these gallons of glue, so maybe they changed the recipe or something. But here it is. I think it's really cool. Looks pretty nice, yeah. This one is like in between slimy and putty, guys. Peacock glue, and I actually really like this glue. Like, it is pretty cool. You can actually activate it with baking soda too, but it's kind of weird and it smells weird too, but yeah, I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour the glue. As you can see, it is like not clear at all. I mean it's like semi-clear. It's very foggy and it's a lot more runny. Okay, let me just go ahead and add some food coloring. I guess I'll make this one blue or actually purple. I haven't made purple, have I? Purple? Let's see how that looks. Okay, well that turned a lot darker than I expected. Whoopsies. Okay, let me just go ahead and add the activator. I don't know how much activator this uses. This is very weird, guys, because I really remember this glue being like a lot thicker. It's very weird that it's liquidy. Okay, guys, this is taking a lot of activator. Anyways, here it is. Still kind of sticky, but yeah, that's it. It kind of reminds me of the Nickelodeon slime glue. Like, it's thin and slimy. But I don't really like it because it's like $10 for that bottle, I think. So, I don't know. I'm not really liking it, guys. Okay, well, I like the texture, but I feel like this glue should be like $1. But since like the size of it should be like $4 or $5, but like this is like really not, no bueno. Okay, well guys, that that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below which slime glue you like the best. And yeah, I don't really like this Peacock one. It's like all over my hands. But you guys also tell me if like their slime recipe changed, or if mine is just really bad and they got like melted or something, because I do not remember it like this. Like, do you guys have like a thicker version? Because I thought it was thicker. And also guys, I think my favorite would be the Darice one. I really love Darice, like the texture and everything, and it's like really clear. So yeah. All right, well that is it guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.